Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with voices.com. If you've never earned money online before, there's no need to stress. This method is designed specifically for beginners, so you're in the right place. I'll be with you every step of the way, guiding you through the process from start to finish. First, let's dive into what voices.com actually is and how it operates. Voices.com is an online platform that connects businesses, content creators, and individuals with professional voice talent. Essentially, it serves as a marketplace for people who need high-quality voiceover work and those who provide it. This platform brings together voiceover artists, audio producers, musicians, and translators, offering a wide range of services that cater to various industries and needs. From commercials and corporate narrations to video games, audiobooks, e-learning modules, and more, Voices.com is designed to fulfill the demand for voice talent across diverse fields. While the platform offers several services, the primary focus is on voiceover work. Voiceover, artists lend their voices to various media, such as animated characters, radio and TV commercials, podcasts, video games, educational videos, and even virtual assistants. You've likely encountered voiceover work in many places. For instance, those engaging YouTube videos you watch, the commercial ads that catch your attention, or the smooth narrations in audiobooks that bring stories to life. Now, the exciting part is that Voices.com offers a unique opportunity for people who may have never considered voiceover work before. If you have a clear, expressive voice and some basic recording equipment, like a microphone and soundproof space, you can get paid to provide voiceovers, even if you're a complete beginner. The platform has tools and resources to help you get started, allowing you to apply for job postings or submit auditions for different voiceover projects. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start to land more complex and higher-paying gigs. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or considering a full-time career, Voices.com provides an accessible entry point into the world of voiceover acting. So if you've ever wanted to be the voice behind a commercial or a character in a video game, this could be your chance to break into the industry and start earning from it. Let me walk you through how the process works in detail. It all starts when a client visits Voices.com in search of a voiceover artist for their project. They can browse through a wide variety of talented professionals, each showcasing their unique styles, vocal ranges, and skills. The client then reviews these profiles, listening to demos and considering factors such as experience, tone, and specialization to find the artist that aligns with their project's needs. Once they've made a selection, the client reaches out to you and hires you for the job. After that, you work on the project, using your expertise to deliver high-quality recordings that meet the client's expectations. This could involve various types of voiceovers, such as commercials, narrations, e-learning modules, or even character voices for animation. After you submit your completed work and the client approves it, you get paid for the project as per the terms you agreed upon. It's a straightforward process that ensures both the client and the voiceover artist are satisfied with the work done. Sounds simple, right? Well, that's because it is. The platform streamlines everything, making it easier for you to focus on what you do best, delivering great voiceovers. You might be wondering why voiceovers are needed. A common example is YouTube automation, where channel owners upload videos without creating the content themselves. They outsource tasks like scriptwriting, video editing, and voiceovers to freelancers. As a voiceover artist, you could be the one they hire to narrate their videos. The demand for this service is high. Voices.com is a fantastic platform that simplifies the process of connecting clients with high-quality voiceover artists. One of its key benefits is that clients can listen to free samples from voiceover artists before making a hiring decision. This allows them to confidently choose a voice that best fits their project's needs. However, our goal isn't to hire a voiceover artist. We're here to offer our own voiceover services and get paid for it. The best part is that you don't need prior experience to get started. Even if English isn't your first language, you can still succeed in voiceover work. Many clients are searching for voiceovers in a wide range of languages. Whether you speak Spanish, French, Arabic, or a less common language, there is demand for native speakers. This means that if you're fluent in any language, you already have a valuable skill that can help you break into the voiceover industry. Voices.com provides a thriving marketplace for voice actors, with over 10,000 active clients and more than 5,000 job postings each month. This high volume of opportunities increases your chances of securing work, making it a valuable platform for professionals looking to grow their careers. With approximately 1 million visitors every month, the platform attracts a diverse range of clients, ensuring a steady demand for voiceover services. One of the most convenient aspects of Voices.com is that job opportunities come directly to you. Instead of spending time searching for clients and persuading them to hire you, projects are readily available for you to apply to. This streamlined approach makes it easier to find work and focus on what you do best, delivering high-quality voiceovers. Once hired, you complete the project, submit your work, and get paid, providing a straightforward and efficient way to earn from your talent. Getting started on Voices.com is a straightforward process. First, create a free account by signing up on the platform. This will give you access to the tools and features available for voiceover artists and clients. Once you've registered, it's time to showcase your skills. Upload high-quality samples of your previous work, even if you're just starting out. If you don't have past projects to share, consider recording a few demo samples to highlight your vocal range, style, and abilities. These demos will help potential clients understand what you bring to the table. After setting up your profile and uploading samples, you're ready to start working. The platform connects voiceover artists with clients who need professional recordings for various types of projects. Now, let's look at how clients can find the right voiceover artist. If you're a client searching for a voiceover professional, Voices.com makes it easy to browse through a diverse range of talent. You can explore artists based on different categories such as animation, audiobooks, business, education, or documentaries. Whether you need a character voice for an animated project, a warm and engaging tone for an audiobook, or a clear and authoritative voice for a corporate presentation, there's a wide selection to choose from. In addition to browsing by category, clients can also filter voiceover artists based on language. Whether you need an English-speaking narrator, a Spanish voiceover artist, or a voice talent fluent in French, German, or other languages, Voices.com provides multilingual options. This ensures that you can find the right voice for your specific audience. Accents are another important factor when selecting a voiceover artist. Some projects require a particular regional or national accent to make the content more authentic and engaging. On Voices.com, you can find professionals who specialize in British, North American, Australian, or even niche regional accents. This is particularly useful for brands or productions that want to target specific audiences with a natural and relatable tone. Beyond language and accent, you can refine your search by selecting a voiceover style that fits your project. Additionally, if your project requires a specific age range, you can search for voices that sound youthful, mature, or anywhere in between. Whether you need a childlike voice for a cartoon, a teenage voice for a youthful brand, or a middle-aged professional voice for corporate narration, you'll find options that match your needs. By using these filters and search tools, Voices.com makes it simple for clients to connect with the right voice over talent. For voice actors, having a well-structured profile with high-quality samples can significantly increase their chances of getting hired for exciting projects. One of the standout features of Voices.com is the ability to listen to samples from each voiceover artist. If you're searching for a storyteller, you can filter artists who specialize in that category, review their samples, and read feedback from previous clients before making a decision. However, it's important to note that competition on voices.com can be tough, though not as intense as on platforms like Fiverr. Since voices.com requires applicants to submit an application and provide samples, fewer people go through the process, reducing the number of competitors for each job. This increases your chances of being hired. As you complete projects and build your portfolio, you can expand to other freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Starting on voices.com is a great way to gain experience, and once you've established a reputation, you can attract more clients. To get started, sign up on voices.com and apply as a voiceover artist. Once accepted, begin working on projects to gain experience. As your portfolio grows, more opportunities will open up, allowing you to secure higher-paying jobs. With time and effort, you'll develop a strong portfolio and attract larger clients. You could even end up working with major brands like Microsoft, Shopify, or Discovery Channel. The potential is limitless. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I've found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.